What's up, Slayers? Today we got the Fluke Irradiance Meter. Fluke was nice enough to send this out to me to try out, and let me tell you, I am blown away right off the bat. This has the functionality of a lot of the other pieces of equipment that we have to carry, but everything's all in one. It comes with batteries as well as an external temperature probe. It's pretty cool. You can put it on the back of the panels to measure if you're out on a larger ground mount array. And here you can see we have the cardinal degrees, or the azimuth that the array faces, as well as the tilt or the inclination. Here's the irradiance meter. On the back side of that is the temperature probe that you can set directly on the solar panel. Here we're switching from Celsius to Fahrenheit. The irradiance meter in shade and then in direct sunlight here. And here's the external temperature probe. I'll put it on my arm, show how fast it goes up, and then on the window. No lag time. The whole thing comes with a really nice carrying case that holds the external temperature probe as well as the irradiance meter. Comes with a nice strap. You can throw it over your shoulder to carry it up to the roof, or put it on your belt or your harness. And that's it.